Intelligence infinite. IQ infinite. M3 Bradley! Help me repair! Wait, why is there a... You idiot! You're a light tank, you're meant to help me repair! You idiot! You're an actual idiot! He hasn't, he's just aimlessly rolling around, just like rolling. While listening to Limp Bizkit. Who the fuck listens to Limp Bizkit? Wait, what? I'm getting the fuck out of here because I feel like one more person in my tank dies. That's the end of my mouse. And then it's just me with the mouse. Sorry, you're not allowed to capture A. Oh boy, well, I'm coming up against another equally armoured fellow. I say fellow, it's a Soviet. How did he shoot? What? Oh my gosh, I've never seen such bullshit in my life. He shot his shot down my barrel into my cannon breech, exploded the ammo in my cannon, killing everyone in my tank. What? I've just been bullied by Gaijin for giving them money.